Red ties, blue ties, same greasy green. One wants your guns, the other wants your sin. Both got their hands in the donor jar, sucking corporate dick in a rented car. They fly private while you wait for the bus. Promise you heaven, then piss on all of us. Fuck the Republicans, fuck the Democrats, fuck them all right in their fucking ass. They don't give a shit about you or me, just lining their pockets on company needs. Fuck the Republicans, fuck the Democrats, fuck them all right in their lobbyist ass. One side screams freedom while building the case. Other side screams equity, same minimum wage. Vote yes on the war machine bill, then cry for your vote when it's time to kill. They eat steak in D.C. while you're eating dust. Every 4 years they remember us. Fuck the Republicans, fuck the Democrats, fuck them all right in their fucking ass. They don't give a shit about you or me, just stuffing their offshore account with glee. Fuck the Republicans, fuck the Democrats, fuck them all right in their lobbyist ass. Yeah. Left wing, right wing, same goddamn bird, feeding us hope while they flip us the bird. Term limits, nah, insider trades, hell yeah. Your kids get the debt, they get the Chardonnay. Fuck the Republicans, fuck the Democrats, fuck the independents, libertarians, fuck the whole pack. Fuck them all right in their corrupt, crusty, crustacean ass. We're done with the suits and the fake ass tears. Burn the whole circus down, who's got the beer? Fuck them all, fuck them all right in their fucking ass.